Welcome, and thanks for joining us. Let's start with a simple question that we'll circle back at the end of this video. Is a roof just there to keep out the rain? Most people would probably say yes. But what if the real issue isn't the rain or weather at all? What if the problem is what's happening beneath the roof? Across the country, millions of homes face a hidden problem, one that reduces comfort, wastes energy, and drives up utility bills. Invisible from the outside, its impact on both homeowners and the energy grid is massive. At Ensoltis, we believe high-performance roofing isn't a luxury, it's essential. At first glance, it might look like a regular roof, and that's the point. True high performance isn't about appearance, it's about performance. Beyond keeping out rain, it delivers lasting energy efficiency and preserves curb appeal. In this video, we'll explore the energy problem affecting millions of homes and show how Ensoltis is solving it, one roof at a time. The biggest challenge facing the US is rising electricity demand, driven by population growth, housing, and our reliance on electricity for nearly everything: lighting, heating, cooling, appliances, electronics, and even transportation, and it just keeps climbing. Heating and cooling take the largest share of household electricity, about 50% in new homes and up to 78% in older ones. During extreme heat, this strain can push systems to the limit, sometimes triggering rolling blackouts. On a 75 to 95 degree day, an uninsulated attic can hit 125 degrees. As cool air moves through ducts, it can lose up to 19 degrees before reaching your room, making it feel like the AC isn't working. In winter, attics drop to 40 degrees, cooling heated air before it reaches living spaces. The result? Wasted energy, higher bills, and less comfort. It's like pushing cold air through an oven in summer or hot air through a freezer in winter. It's easy to fall into an out-of-sight, out-of-mind mindset. Yes, ducts may be insulated, and attics may have ceiling insulation. But are we protecting the weakest link? Infrared images reveal the truth. Bright red and yellow hotspots show where energy escapes or enters a home, most often through the roof. By insulating the roof itself, the entire system works smarter, not harder. Think of your home like an ice chest. Old coolers lost temperature quickly because the lid wasn't insulated, while modern lids keep drinks hot or cold much longer. Or picture a cup of coffee. In styrofoam, it stays hot and safe to hold. In ceramic, the heat escapes and burns your hand. With ice, styrofoam holds the cold, while ceramic sweats it out. Your home works the same way. Without roof insulation, heat and cold slip out, comfort drops, and costs climb. With proper insulation, comfort stays in, and so do your savings. Even coffee proves the point. Coffee ranges from 125 to 175 degrees. At the low end, it's hotter than most uninsulated attics, yet we can hold it safely because a styrofoam cup, just 1/8 inch thick, blocks that heat. If something that thin can shield you, imagine how ProVent can protect your entire roof. Ensoltis, an American-owned company, offers ProVent, a logical, energy-efficient, maintenance-free solution. ProVent panels, made of EPS foam and OSB sheathing, are installed over the roof to stop heat and cold from entering or escaping the attic. On average, ProVent lowers attic temperatures by 50 degrees, cutting AC runtimes significantly. Empirical data shows 25-30% lower energy use and up to 50% savings on utility bills depending on local rates. While ProVent can't solve every electricity problem, it tackles the most critical one across all climate zones. The biggest benefit? Energy efficiency that pays for itself. In many cases, savings can cover the cost of a new roof with little to no out-of-pocket expense. With no hidden costs at end of year, here's how the ProVent high-performance roof is installed. Remove existing shingles or shakes and inspect the sheathing. Install a vapor and moisture barrier for added protection. Add the air intake system to boost airflow, reduce moisture, and regulate attic temperature. Install ProVent panels, lightweight 4x8 sheets, 3 inches thick, providing an R value of 7.2 with a limited lifetime warranty. Panels meet strict fire, uplift, and impact standards. Their EPS foam and OSB reduce sound, while boosting insulation, ideal for homes near airports, highways, or noisy areas. Compatible with spaced sheathing, OSB, and CDX plywood roofs. Perfect for cathedral or vaulted ceilings with limited attic space. Designed for screw fastening. Compatible for all pitched roofs and all asphalt materials. A durable 4x4 metal drip edge trim gives a clean finish, protects the intake vent, and integrates seamlessly with gutters. Install underlayment for moisture protection, then asphalt shingles per manufacturer specs. For venting, cut a 2-inch slot along ridges, hips, and roof-to-wall areas. Install hip and ridge shingles with roof-to-wall vents for balanced airflow. The result? A roof that pairs the traditional look of asphalt shingles with ProVent technology, cutting heat and noise, staying solar compatible, and preserving curb appeal. To demonstrate, we use a live fog simulation powered by a blower. It shows fresh air entering and hot air exiting. improving how the system balances ventilation and reduces heat buildup. Back to our original question, is a roof just there to keep out the rain? The answer is no. The real issue is attic heat and cold, the hidden problem that drains energy, overworks AC systems, and raises bills. With ProVent, the roof becomes more than a shield from weather. It becomes a high-performance system that protects comfort, saves energy, and pays for itself. For questions, contact your salesperson in your corresponding area. Thank you for your time. God bless.